Today I'm going to teach you how to make cloud slime step by step. First, we will start by adding 1/4 cup of white glue in 1/4 of water. Okay, so here goes the water, and then here's the glue. Okay, then I'll mix it. Once it's mixed well, you're going to add in the food coloring of your choice. Also add in the scent if you would like to mix it well. So I'm going to do green. Start off with like 5 drops. Make sure they're tiny. If you want it darker, you can add in more too. After it's mixed now, you're gonna add in the activator. I combined 1 cup of water with 1 teaspoon of borax. So start adding 1 teaspoon of activator at a time until your slime starts to pool from the bowl. So it's kind of starting, but you just need to make sure it's like not really that sticky. Because once you start touching it, you'll see if it's sticky. If it's like kind of sticky, it's okay, and you can add a little bit more in, but always try to, yeah, it's still sticky. Okay, so, wait, pause it. So now I'm gonna add in my scent. I'll do strawberry. Just like drizzle it. You can always add in more. Right now it doesn't feel cloudy, but there's some more steps. Okay, so next you will add in your instant snow. The more snow you add, the more drizzle you'll have. Start off with 2. I'm gonna add in some more. Just keep kneading it, like folding it. And add some more in. Kneading. Get it all off the bowl. I want mine to be nice and drizzly, so I'm going to keep on adding some snow. Just keep kneading. Try not to like stretch it too much. Add some more in. Maybe one more. Somehow you can stretch it to like make it a nice good fold. Like. Okay, so you can also add in some lotion to make it like smooth. So I'm just gonna do like that much. like to sometimes like rub it on it, and then I like start like mixing it with my hands. So add in any mix-ins you'd like, and then yeah. So these are all the ones I have. I'm gonna do a few because you can barely see them, so there's not that much of a point, but this makes it look cool and it's kind of fun. Tiny bit more of those. Add some snowflakes, some hearts, some of these. That go with it very well. Now start like mixing them in. And then you're done. Look how drizzly it is. So it should be like that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.